Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be creating this look right here with this palette right here. This is Viseart and I have reviewed this before, but I'm using it again because I feel like I didn't give it very much justice in the previous video. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so let's get going with this look. We are going to start out with the priming. I am going to use the Avant Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer, this one right here. And for eye primer, I am of course using Viseart. This is their eye primer right here. For foundation, we are going to use a Beauty Blender in shade 1.30W. This is their foundation called Bounce. Okay, I am going to use just a little bit of concealer here. This is the Trazique concealer. Don't know what shade this is. This is Porcelain. I'm just going to use it a little here, a little here, a little bit right here and here. I'm going to lighten a little bit here, and that's all I'm going to use because I'm just trying to slightly lighten and hide a little bit of imperfections. Okay, so now we are moving into eyebrows. I am going to use my Mellow pomade here. This is something I have used quite a bit. I am not wanting super bold brows, so that's why I'm sticking with that. So now we're going to do the eyeshadow, and I am going to work with this palette right here. This is Viseart. Was it palette number 9? I can't read half the time, but anyways, I had reviewed this a while ago, and I was kind of so-so about it when I had originally reviewed it, but the more I used it, the more I loved it, so that's why I'm revisiting it. This is definitely a decent palette. So I'm going to start off with this blue color right here. I'm going to go in slightly, just a little in the inner corner, and then right here on the outer part. got that done, you can see I did a little bit of an line right here to kind of keep it gathered together so I know where I'm going with this. This is very much a trust the process kind of look. We are going into the next shade of blue right here, and we are just going to take and blend it a little bit on each side with it, leaving the center part without any color. Okay, so now we're going to go in with this gold color right here in the center part of the eye. Okay, so we're going to put a little extra sparkle on it. I'm going to use this right here. This is Artist Couture Golden Hour. This has a really pretty gold color. If you can kind of see it there, that is what we're going to put over the gold area of the eye. Okay, so now we're going to repeat the same color pattern under the eyes, and I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, eyeshadow is done. We are moving on to liner. I'm going to line the bottom part of my waterline with this right here. This is the Marc Jacobs eyeliner. For top liner, I'm going to use this calligraphy pen right here from Glamlight. This is a really nice top liner or liquid liner, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, so next we are going to put on some mascara. This would actually be a really great look with false lashes, but I don't really feel like putting on any today, so we're just going to keep on going. I'm going to start off with this right here. This is a curling primer for lashes. I prefer this over the curling wand because I am less likely to press too hard and lose my lashes. So I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to go over it with this right here. This is Elate Mascara in black. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of bronze contour thing here with GG Gorgeous. This is the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo, so obviously it's more of a bronze than a contour, but I'm just going to kind of put a little dimension into my face. Okay, you can see that I did a little bit. You'll notice that when I did the cheeks, I just did it solid here, but not real heavily, to kind of make my face look a little bit more narrow because I do have a pretty round face. So we are going to go into highlight now, and I am going to stick with this right here. This is the Natasha Denona Gold Glow. There we go. Or Glow Gold. Yeah, I guess I said that right. Anyways, I'm going to use that because I am sticking with the gold theme. Now that I got a little bit gold, I am going to use a blush here, the Alamar blush, in these two colors here because it kind of sticks with the gold. I know it's orange, but it's still kind of gold, so that's what I'm going with. Okay, so now I am going to put a light dusting of setting powder just to kind of make it look a little more airbrushed, and that is Private Society Get Set Face Powder. Okay, so for lip color, we are going to use Hank & Henry lipstick in Satin Matte Lust, and I gotta show you this container. It is so pretty. Look at that. And check this out. See the top there with the owl? Press it. So cool. And that is the lipstick, and look, it's got sparkles, so you know I'm loving it. But it still shows up matte, even though it's got sparkle in there. So I am going to dab a little bit of gloss, and the gloss I am going to dab on top of it is Marc Jacobs Electric Lights. Yeah, that's what I'm going to use. Alright, so now we're going to do setting spray. We are going to use ColourPop Pretty Fresh and then Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. Alright, this is my finished gold look with my kind of navy blue. This palette, again, I did end up loving it. So if you don't have the price or the budget to splurge, don't worry about it. You can get something similar that'll work just as well. But if you do have the budget to splurge, this is definitely worth it. It blends beautifully and it lasts well and it doesn't crease, so do highly recommend that. But otherwise, that is it of this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts below. And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.